Okay, so first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Priscilla. I spoke with you yesterday. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how you could increase the value of your company with exposure on Google with a website. And there's a couple of key factors that play into this: content, backlinks, and citations. So I just kind of wanted to give you a quick overview. Of course, right here, this is the Google search bar. We know this. And anytime you type a search in here, these words that you're typing in are actually keywords. Google uses these keywords to look for websites that best fit this search criteria, search engine optimization, or also known as SEO. Now, Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keyword or words that are getting typed in, and then categorizes those websites based on the content. This is how you establish the rank factor. Now, you typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. So I typed in custom homes Fayetteville. Of course, we have right here the map area, or also known as the map pack. Ranking within the maps is directly related to your Google Business Profile, your area of coverage, and citations that are attached to your business profile. Citations are anything with name, address, and phone number that directly reflect your profile. Getting exposure within the map area is very beneficial. It creates a lot of local traffic that will find you, and that creates a lot of leads and becomes sales. What is underneath the map is obviously businesses, and if you've ever wondered how businesses get on the first page of Google or how this works, I can explain this to you. Under the maps is where organic ranking starts to take place. So we do have like Precision here, Red Door, Fayetteville, North Carolina, American Homes Place. Excuse me. I chose these two as a basic example. Um, so for example, let's see. I took number one. This is his website, Precision Custom Homes, and I have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind closed doors. I can see how the website is ranking and why it is on the first page of Google. I did mention backlinks earlier. They are an important ranking factor when it comes to your exposure and how your website performs. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. It creates a popularity, and this helps Google build trust within your site. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to keep that in mind. You're going to want backlinks with a strong domain name and plenty of traffic coming through it. You wouldn't necessarily want somebody who's building sheds or something of that nature linking back to you. It won't carry as much weight and as much power behind home builders or other referring websites back to you that are referring to home building in the same um, category that you're in. There's 46 referring domains, websites connected to him from these backlinks. And then when we come into content and keywords, we have 313 keywords within the website that is generating him about 200 views a month of traffic. So to give you a little idea of how this works, this is the search volume per month for these keywords that get typed in. So every time something is typed into here, Google is going through the content of websites, crawling them, looking for the most relevant, and then obviously ranking those and putting them on the first page. So custom home builders Fayetteville 150 times. Home builders Fayetteville, North Carolina 450. Fayetteville, North Carolina home builders 450. Home builders in Sanford 150. Home builders in Fayetteville again. New home construction Fayetteville 300 times. Custom homes for sale 250. So collectively, you can understand once all of these once this adds up, this creates a lot of exposure per month that is brought into your site. That greatly increases your odds of bringing in new customers, becoming sales. The other example that I wanted to show you was number 3 in the number 3 spot here, custom homes. So this is his site here, AmericanHomesPlace.com. I also put him into the same tool so you can take a look at him. 112,000 backlinks, 1.2 thousand referring domains, 10,000 keywords, generating 34,000 views per month. That is an extreme amount of traffic generated and being pushed in. So when these things come together, and of course, the keywords that each of these competitors have, you can have the same and more. The backlinks that they have, you can have the same and more. This all plays a part in how Google recognizes you and sees you as an authority in what you're doing, and with the endorsements that are generated, you'll start to rank. With that being said, I hope you can understand how that works, why sites are on the first page, the value that it can bring to your business. Many companies build beautiful websites, but they will sometimes fall short with content and SEO. And then so you'll find yourself wondering, well, I had a website built and I'm not getting a lot of lead gens coming in, and I don't understand why business is increasing. It's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody will see it. So it's very important to have your content, backlinks, citations, Google Business Profile all tied in to generate and bring you the traffic that you need through your content and your keyword search when people are typing in services that they're looking for. With that being said, I hope you have a better understanding. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this today. Should you have any questions or concerns, I would be more than happy to work with you. And again, thanks for your time.